Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications for your EMPORIA Smart phone. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store, and from here begin a search for an app. Enter NotifyBuddy, hit the search button, select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we can open our app and from here start setting it up. First thing is to grant two permissions to this app, and the first one is overlay permission. So click on grant, allow display over the other apps, and do the same thing with notification permission, allow. Now let's go back. And here's the last, which is battery optimization, and it's optional, you don't need to disable it. So now let's move on. From here we can already start using our app, and there'll be 4 tabs right here. First one is user. Here you can select any app to get this custom LED lamp notifications. So let's pick 2 of the random apps. In the system you can find all Android apps that are bound to your system. In the active you can find all apps that you just activated. In the system settings you can find settings about your LED lamp, so you can change and customize it. You can pick the time between blinking, change the color, placement on the screen. There's many settings, but some of them are locked behind the premium version of this app. Now let's press on the test button and we'll be able to see this LED lamp right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.